welcome back to my channel. So another little information update on the Topscan. So the other day I spoke to a gentleman at Topdon who informed me to try a different approach. So what he basically says was, he says switch off your Bluetooth on your phone, switch off the app, and then plug in the Topscan to the vehicle, turn on your Bluetooth, go into the app, go into diagnosis, click on VCI, and then connect to the VCI, and it should work. And the first time I done this, it worked. But after that, I was having nothing but communication issues all the time. And I've done the same thing, I don't know, 30 times at least since. Tried it on 2 different cars. It's doing the same thing. So I'm thinking it must be maybe a software glitch or a Bluetooth glitch or something with just the Topscan I've got. I mean, I've watched umpteen reviews of these, and you know what? Everyone says they're brilliant, and they are brilliant. They are a brilliant item, but it must just be a bad one that I got. And I've been in touch with their Amazon storefront here in the UK, so they're going to replace it for me, as I said before. So I've been in touch with them. I'm waiting for that to come. Once that comes, I'll be updating again. But it's nothing on Topdon. They haven't done anything wrong. They've been fantastic throughout the whole process. They've been really, accommodating throughout it all. They've been really apologetic throughout it all. So it's getting sorted. I'm just waiting for the other one to come. Shipping takes time from where I live and stuff like that. So that's the update. So when I'm connecting to it now, again, I'm just getting that beep. Occasionally I'll get a green light, because what's supposed to happen is in the top right hand side of the app, there's a VCI light, and that's supposed to go green when you're connected. It hasn't been for me. What's been happening is I've been going into VCI, it's been saying I'm connected, but the green light's not been showing. And then when you go to look at something, basically you'll click on diagnosis and it'll say cannot respond, cannot communicate. And that's obviously because that green light's not on, but the app's saying that you're connected to the VCI, but it's not showing up. So it seems complicated, but it's something that Topdon know about, and they will sort out. I mean, Topdon love feedback, so I've given them feedback on it, and feedback's something they thrive on. They go out of their way to improve things after you've given them feedback, and I'm 100% sure that they will fix this, and the issue will be resolved. And I'm pretty sure that the next Topscan I get won't have any issues, and if it does, well, do you know what, I'm going to go out and buy a tablet or a cheap phone and stick it on there and see if it is my phone. But I don't think it is. I think it's an issue with that particular Topscan that I've got. So we'll wait and see, and I'll give you more updates when I can. The other thing is, could you please have a little look on my YouTube page under community? As I mentioned in my last video, there's it's not a poll, but I'm just wanting opinions on what you guys think I should buy as a kind of daily use scanner type thing. So I've put names on there. There's the one I particularly like is the Topdon, either the Phoenix Plus or the Phoenix Elite. They are very expensive, but you never know. I should be able to afford one at some point, but there is a mixture of scanners on there, so I would like to get opinions of you to see what you think I should get, why I should get that scanner, what's your reason for saying I should have it, and I'll make my mind up. I mean, I'll probably end up in a Phoenix or something like that, but we'll see what happens. So if you could like my channel, subscribe and share, thank you.